In the new design trends of modern contemporary architecture, the indoor courtyard has emerged as a time-honored feature that serves multiple purposes. Beyond its traditional roots, it now acts as a catalyst for ventilation, a conduit for natural sunlight, and a means to establish a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. From captivating courtyards that serve as the heart of a home to verdant havens that transform into miniature gardens, indoor courtyards have become a hallmark of modern design. One exemplary showcase of this architectural marvel is the Manipal residence, artfully crafted by Vriksh. Despite its modest size, the open-to-sky courtyard assumes a central role, accentuated by meticulously handcrafted pillars fashioned from locally sourced Karkalla granite. Adjacent to this architectural marvel, a swing constructed from wood and brass beckons, offering an idyllic nook for unwinding with a good book on leisurely afternoons. However, the piece de resistance undoubtedly lies in the interior courtyard that gazes out upon the landscaped exterior, resplendent with a profusion of tropical flora and perennial blossoms. Nestle into the welcoming embrace of a wicker armchair or the rustic charm of a wooden charpoy-like bench, and lose yourself in the serene spectacle of the world ambling by. In the thoughtful layout of this home, the living room, dining area, and family lounge orbit around a central courtyard. Lush greenery, embodied by the likes of golden bamboo, philodendron sellum, and spathiphyllum plants, infuses the living spaces with freshness while fostering an enduring connection to the great outdoors. The marriage of modern design sensibilities and the natural world is exemplified through the intelligent integration of indoor courtyards. These oases of serenity not only elevate the aesthetics of a living space but also provide respite from the urban hustle and bustle, all while allowing nature to flourish within your home. Explore these indoor courtyard design ideas to discover innovative ways to embrace the soothing embrace of nature in your urban dwelling.